Jai Sriman-Narayana. When Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami sleeping on the floor, Guha, Sumantra and Lakshmana, three of them were protecting them and they were awake all through the night. And now sun is rising. Ramachandra Swami got up and asking Lakshmana, we have to cross this Jahnavi, Sigragam. We have to cross this Ganga Nadi, Tarama Jahnavim. And look at the atmosphere, how beautiful it is, how pleasant it is. All the peacocks and all the birds making beautiful sounds. Lakshmana, Sigragam, Sagarangamam. Look at the Ganga river. It is flowing like a ocean. That is what Ramachandra Swami said. And Rama also added that, Lakshmana, we have to cross this Ganga. Then Lakshmana understood what exactly Rama is trying to convey the message. And Lakshmana called on Sumantra and Guha and asked them, did you understand what exactly Rama is trying to convey the message? Then Guha said, yes, Lakshmana, I got it. Immediately he said that because Jahnavi, the Ganga river, is flowing like a ocean, it is very hard to cross Ganga Nadi. So that is why Rama is asking us to make arrangements of a boat. That is what I understood. Now I am going to arrange that boat. Immediately Guha called on all of his ministers and associates and saying that Asya Vahana Sanyuktam. Immediately arrange one beautiful, nice, heavy, strong boat along with the boat driver. Guha said that all of his associates arranged a beautiful boat, and then Guha is saying that to Rama, oh Rama, all arrangements are done. Bhuyaha kim karavanite. What else do I need to do? Please tell me. Oh Rama, you are such a great man and you are man of this entire universe. And you always follow so many wonderful rules and regulations. You never cross the barricades. Such great Ho Rama. I did everything what you asked me. Please let me know what else I can do for you. Like that when Guha said, now Rama is saying that, oh Guha, you have done so much for me. You did several favors for me. Now you put all the things that I needed in the forest, like crowbar and all those things. You put everything in the boat. Please put all the clothing for Sitamma in the boat. Please put all the ornaments of Sitamma in the boat. Like that when Rama said, Guha put everything, kept everything and said, yes, everything is done. Then Rama and Lakshmana have taken their swords, their arrows and their bows, and they got ready and took Sitamma. Along with Sitamma, they started walking towards the boat which is there in the banks of Ganga Nadi. On the way, Sumantra is asking Rama, Kimaham karavanite. What else I can do for you, Rama? Please tell me. Then Rama is taking Sumantra very close to him and touching with his right hand to Sumantra and saying that, Sumantra, you please go back to Ayodhya. Sighram punareva yahi. Immediately you have to get back to Ayodhya and start taking care of my father Dasharatha Maharaju. Sumantra, you drove all of us until here in the chariot. Now from here onwards, we three will be going on the walk into the forests. We don't need chariot anymore. Sumantra, please go back. Like that Rama said to Sumantra, Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.